I am at the 32nd Convergence India Expo, where we are seeing a glimpse of how far technology has come and the heights that it is going to reach in the coming days. For the past 3 decades, Convergence India has been at the forefront of India's digital revolution, and the 2025 edition of the Expo 2 was a hub for future technologies and everything that's smart and sustainable, including EVs and the systems that power them. Right now you find me in front of the Infineon booth, and for the uninitiated, Infineon is one of the world's largest semiconductor manufacturers and they supply chips for the automotive industry as well. So come along with me as I show you some of the products that are on display here and what their purposes and uses are. The first thing we look at is this, an EV charger, and this you can see is a reference model, but at the heart of it is this Infineon chip which acts as the brain for the entire system. This is an 11 kilowatt DC charger, and you will also see a bigger version right here. This is a 22 kilowatt unit, but both of them have one thing in common, and that is that one, they have a very compact design, because what Infineon has managed to do is create a chip which can do the work of 2 or 3 regular chips, which means that you have a more compact design, and it also means that you have a lower cost of production because you are using fewer materials. Now, like I said, this is a DC-DC charger, but this one, the bigger unit, is an AC-DC charger, and they have an efficiency of close to 97%, which is also pretty great to see. Moving along, we have the 3 kilowatt and 5 kilowatt motor controller units right over here. Now, the motor controller unit is quite crucial in an EV because it is essentially the part that dictates the power and the torque coming from the motor. It also facilitates features like regenerative braking, and it also gives you features like reverse mode, which we have seen in a lot of electric two-wheelers especially. Now, the Infineon chips right here are perfect for these kinds of applications, and they are great for both electric two-wheelers and three-wheelers. Last but in no way the least, we have a couple of instrument clusters here, and they are also powered by Infineon. If you come closer, this is the Traveo 2G family of chips, and right here you can see it can power dual displays. These are primarily for four-wheelers, and it also supports a camera right over here, so you can get a display out from the camera. As you can see right here, this is the camera and you can see a display. As for the resolution, well, these displays are currently running at 800 by 480 pixels, but the chip can support higher resolution of up to 2880 into 1080 pixels, which is quite high. Now, coming on to the other display which we have here, this is primarily for two-wheelers and three-wheelers, and it's also powered by the same chip, and it is running Google Maps, as you can see, which is pretty cool. We have seen some two-wheelers come with Google Maps, which is really good because Google Maps are quite reliable and we use it on a daily basis. So having that capability in three-wheelers and even two-wheelers is pretty good. You also have support for 2D and 2.5D graphics to make your interface look quite slick. So now you know about the tiny but mighty chips that power so many features in EVs that people use almost on a regular basis. Infineon really makes EVs safe, smart, and robust.